Here we are in Prince Edward. On my left is the Prince Edward MTR station. And from here, I want to take you to three of my favorite spots. There's the Mongkok Flower Market, the Yuen Street Bird Garden, and right behind me is the Goldfish Street. Come, let me show you around. Welcome to Flower Market Road. This street market consists of over 50 shops selling all kinds of flowers, from ordinary houseplants to the exotic. And I think you'll agree with me that it's one of the most fragrant and colorful streets in Hong Kong. You know what the amazing thing is that when the stores are closed in the evening, you can still smell the flowers. As we come to the end of Mongkok's Flower Market, we find ourselves at the entrance of the Yuen Street Bird Garden. So come on, let's take a look. This public outdoor market consists of roughly 70 stalls selling hundreds of different kinds of birds, bird cages, bird food, anything and everything to do with birds, basically. So let's go see what we can find. What I find charming about this place is that locals gather not just to buy and sell birds, but to walk them outdoors and hang them amongst the trees.
I guess if you can't take your bird for a walk, this is the next best thing, huh?
The Yuen Street Bird Garden. Although I've traveled to many places, I've never seen anything quite like this before. Now that we've seen some flowers and birds, let's cross the street to take a look at some goldfish. We're at the Prince Edward end of Tong Choi Street, better known as Goldfish Street. Now what do they sell here? Goldfish, of course, and thousands of other varieties of fish, all for your aquarium and not to eat. So come on, let's take a closer look.
This market stretches for 2 blocks and consists of dozens of shops and street hawkers selling all kinds of fish and aquarium equipment. Be it freshwater, saltwater, or tropical, common or rare, trust me, they have it all.
These ones are so pretty.
Some of the rarer types of fish cost thousands of dollars, and the coral has to be flown in from other countries. Many Chinese believe goldfish are good luck and keep aquariums at home for that very reason. Many of those goldfish are purchased right here.
As you can see, Hong Kong has a street for everything, and this is the Mecca for goldfish.